CH Vlogs, yo.
CH Vlogs.
What does vlogs mean? CH Vlogs.
CH Vlogs.
CH Vlogs.
Morning, James!
What's up, nigga?
Morning, Ryan. Is it still cold?
This looks pretty gross. Oh!
It's
I need like a paper towel, it's too hot.
Pulsating.
Fine.
Look what I'm about to eat, guys.
Here.
Fucking, hold on, let me show you this shit, like, right about here. Fucking heart attack waiting to happen right about there.
Okay, I guess I can go both these.
You know what, you guys want to know what I had for ice cream today? I had me a motherfucking sundae.
You mean for breakfast?
I had, yeah, for breakfast.
You're like, you don't have for motherfucking ice cream too?
This shit's not gonna be edited out or anything. I want to make this like completely raw.
Raw and original?
Like
I
raw and
just
original.
dog food.
I had me some ice cream, some chicken teriyaki, and now I'm having me some fucking,
That's pretty good.
some fucking.
You know you can't crush an egg like that.
Really?
Go on with that. What are we doing in the sink? Just clean up with that.
Hey! Shut up over there! You're bad!
Dude, look at this. Videotape this. He's trying to crush the egg with his fingers.
Hold on, hold on.
It's impossible.
Okay, he's trying to crush the egg with his hands and he can't.
Okay,
Oh my
let me
God.
try.
You actually try?
Yeah,
I wanna like.
I tried my hardest.
Oh fuck. Holy crap. You have to try that.
Alright,
Oh, okay.
why is your fingernails painted?
I got my nails got painted. Try it over the sink though. Like legit try your hardest.
You
I
have to
just-
do top to bottom though.
Yeah, it's do top to bottom.
It has to be like this.
Go like, no wait, go like that. Wait, don't hold the shell like that.
So I have to hold it like that.
Then go
Yeah, push as hard as you can.
inward. Go. Look at that. Look at that.
Holy fuck! Hold on, let me try like this.
It's gonna explode everywhere.
You actually can't. Like,
Oh my god, that's fucking impossible to
I
do!
thought Todd was just bullshitting me. But
I
you
always
actually
wanted to try, but I didn't want to make a
can't.
mess.
Now.
Oh, fuck that, yo.
That's
That's like impossible to do.
I didn't think that was actually.
Oh, it's dirty impossible. How's that there heart attack waiting to happen?
It's actually pretty good.
Is it? Yeah, just because the heart
It
attack.
kind of
waiting to happen.
smells good actually.
Yeah.
You need some drinks.
Smells-
No,
actually
you do. Yo, son, where do you get that pop from? You just got random pop.
Hold on. You're watching Cribs, and here's our fridge. We got some eggs. See, I'm a funny guy. Hi, Roxy. Roxy.
Game, you want orange juice?
Roxy, what's
No.
going on? What's going on, Roxy? Oh,
Roxy.
you're so happy. You're so happy. Yes, you
Who's
are.
gonna pee? Who's gonna pee? You're gonna pee. Getting so excited.
Alright, we gotta shot this with some fucking, like... I shouldn't say, because my dad's probably gonna watch this.
What?
Go ahead.
Down a little, and I can off it.
Go ahead.
Bottom, top one.
Are you crazy? You can't jump that.
Yeah, you can.
Filming?
Yeah.
Go. No, go. I won't, I promise.
You promise?
My word.
You think so? Take you to bed.
I don't break those. Hell yeah.
I'm gonna do it, guys.
Go.
You think I'm pussy?
Yeah.
I ain't pussy. Hey. What's up?
Hi. Okay, let me...
This room with the Jonas Brothers everywhere.
Yeah, this is my room, just so y'all know. The one I'm filming regularly is actually not the real one. There's random pictures of me and a random girl, but I'm not actually a dirtbag, so that's not me. That's my friend Ryan right there. He's on my nice little chair right there. There's some two bitches who need to learn how to suck dick better.
Fuck you, asshole.
She's pissed off because she don't know how to suck dick good. And
Take that stuff.
I don't care.
and that's my friend Will. So today we're going to randomly be talking about.
You didn't introduce me, what the fuck?
That's my friend James.
Well, that's my phone.
He's obnoxious as fuck and gets pissed off for the stupidest shit.
Fuck you.
Fuck you too, you Jew. Go back to the Holocaust where you belong. Man, dirty people are going to.
You just got hit in the nuts. How you feel?
No, it actually didn't hit me in the nuts.
Shut up.
Well, anyways,
How long have you been going for?
so today we're going to talk about sex.
It's been so long.
And I know what you're all thinking, oh damn, sex, man, are we going to see a porno? No, we're not going to see. We're not going to see a porno. We're not going to see a porno. Pornos aren't good. Pornos
Yo,
aren't
sex,
good.
sex is awesome.
Alright.
It's the best thing in my experiences. I have them all in my room, like
Every night.
24/7 every night.
5 times a
with
day.
like my hand, and shit. I mean, with a hot girl, and It's really good.
What's your favorite site? I mean, girl you've been with.
Pornhub, I mean, Vanessa? Yeah.
Vanessa who?
You still going?
Hudgens.
Jessica Alba, you know, like.
Oh shit.
She's in my room.
What do you think about sex there, Ryan?
What do you think about Jessica Alba? She's fucking hot. Jessica Alba is hot.
Dirty Tuesday, what do you think about sex?
Damn, I got 280.
With Jessica Alba?
What's
Yeah.
your high score?
Hey, stay away. She's mine.
With my
Kick your ass.
Like,
James, what do you think about sex?
Just go to jail.
Your mom.
Don't you like it though?
Yeah, of course.
Oh.
What guy wouldn't?
Yeah, what guy wouldn't wanna?
Do you like butt sex?
A gay guy?
My favorite kind.
He still gets sex though, butt sex.
No, I like the mouth
Are you into kinky shit?
sometimes.
Like what?
Sign up. Whip.
Yeah, I heard about that.
I still haven't got a whip yet.
I thought you
Alright, so me personally, I think sex
you got whipped.
I got.
is good for the relationship if you are just not in a relationship for sex, but you're also best friends with your significant other. I don't care if you're a guy, I don't care if you're a girl, if you're gay, whatever.
What about a tranny?
Fuck it.
Girls with dick.
Yeah, if it's a girl with a dick,
What the fuck do you say now?
I don't know.
Good for you.
I hope the chick that she's with or dude is bisexual, because that's probably going to work out. But if not, then
Hey, Roxy.
they're pretty fucked up.
Heather.
Okay, so back on topic.
It's so hot.
Vlog.
Yeah, so I think sex is not overrated like some people do. I think that if you met the right person
Yeah.
and you're best friends with them, then you're all good.
If you're best friends with them, they won't have sex with you.
Amber's my best friend.
No, she's not your best friend. She's your girlfriend.
She's my girlfriend and my best friend. You can be both.
No, you can't.
That's the key to a perfect
You're either a girlfriend or a best friend. And if you're stuck in the best friend, you'll never get laid.
No.
Friend zone.
You just
Never get a girlfriend.
No. You just need to meet the right girl. If you meet the right girl, you're gonna get both. Hey, leave me alone. 35 seconds
I'm
on.
ready. No, I'm waiting till marriage.